Email and text message is really getting saturated these days. Honestly, getting something in the mail is kind of feels like a novelty these days. So one of the newest things I've added to my GHL account is this ability to send direct mail. So mine says this is the front side, this is the back side. The cool thing about having it within GHL, you are able to actually add it as part of your automation. So as a new customer signs up, the first thing that they could receive is a postcard, and it can just be automated. And I'm in my office geeking out over a new way of reaching out to your customers and prospects. Hi, this is Connie J. Pack. It is Thanksgiving week. I believe Thanksgiving is happening in about 2 days. I'm here working. I'm a little sick. I have a cold sore, as you can see. I'm feeling under the weather, but I came across this thing that's so cool that I had to share with you. So I'm going to not worry about the fact that I am feeling bad and not looking great, but to just take a moment to share with you something that I'm doing this week that I think would be kind of cool for other businesses. So I'm going to dive right in. So one of the newest things I've added to my GHL account is this ability to send direct mail. So when you click on direct mail, you can choose from a gallery that they provide for you. So they have a variety of different postcards and things that's already there based on what industry you're in. However, I went ahead and uploaded my own. So since it's Thanksgiving week, I did a very Thanksgiving-like postcard. So mine says this is the front side, this is the back side. So that's my card. I thought it'd be nice for people to receive a thankful card. And so basically, once you upload your designs, and I just made the design in Canva, so super easy. If you look over here, I got inspiration by searching the web, or you can go to ChatGPT. Didn't really get a lot of great responses, so I sort of got inspired by something I saw and just recreated it. And then once you do that, you go over to contacts. I'm going to search for myself because I'd like to send myself a test. So I'm going to go ahead and send myself one of these cards, send direct mail. I could have done bulk, like if I can filter by tag, I could do all active clients or all prospect clients. So you can do bulk as well. But in this case, I'm just doing one individual. So it's this Thanksgiving card. I'm going to send it first class. I can preview it one more time and submit. So I hope you got to see how easy that was and how simple it was to just go through that process and how meaningful it could be for the person receiving the postcard or the letter. So the cool thing about having it within GHL is the fact that you are able to actually add it as part of your automation. So as a new customer signs up, the first thing that they could receive is a postcard, and it can just be automated. So you already preload the template in your message and it sends it out to them. Who doesn't like a little welcome letter in the mail? So I just think this is a very nice personal touch. I think there's certain audiences that would love and appreciate this quite a bit. I think people who are older, maybe 50s and up, definitely appreciate. I also think just women in general appreciate little thoughtful messages like this. Um, and so there's certain audiences where this could be a great fit. So in a day and age where multiple touch points is very important, and there's only so many emails you can send out before you start getting unsubscribe message notifications, and we don't want that. So if you're looking for another way to connect with your leads, prospects, or customers, I highly recommend you try this out. So if you are using one of my GHL accounts, it's already installed. You just pay for postage and printing. If you don't, I'll post the information down below. So if you want to install it in your account, you're welcome to as your own GHL agency, or I believe you can also go directly to the company and not have to be on a GHL account. Either way, super easy to use, and I highly recommend for this upcoming year.